Welcome to Armand Academy. Like and subscribe for more content and drop your doubts in the comments. Share with your friends and classmates. For private tuition in these subjects across all boards and universities, contact me here or the link in the description. Let's get started. Assuming for a hypothetical economy, autonomous consumption expenditure or CBA is 250 crores, marginal propensity to save is zero point 0.2, autonomous investments or I0 is 200 crores. Estimate the break-even level of income and equilibrium level of income on the basis of the information given above. Now, you need to keep in mind that at break-even level, at break-even level of income, what do we mean by break-even level? Your earnings so much or as much as you need to spend. That means income is equal to consumption. Correct? Now, apart from that, at equilibrium level of income, at equilibrium level of income, we mean y is equal to c plus I. Okay, so now we've got two equations. C itself, C consumption is broken up into two parts. One is autonomous consumption, which we already have here, which they're already calling CBA. Okay, so we have autonomous consumption and what we call induced consumption. Induced consumption means as income increases, your consumption also increases a certain amount. And the increase in consumption because of an increase in income, we know is marginal propensity to zero. Right, so MPC into Y plus C bar is the formula for consumption, which is going to be helpful for us over here because they've asked us to calculate the break-even level of income. That means Y has to be found, okay, and it can be found, okay, it can be found as a form of substituting this. So we have C bar as 250. We have marginal propensity to save given to us over here. But remember, marginal propensity to save plus marginal propensity to consume is equal to 1. So if I have to substitute into this formula, marginal propensity to save is 0.2, marginal propensity to consume is unknown, and both of them is equal to 1. That's as good as saying, okay, now 0.2 is addition, goes that side, it becomes subtraction, and I finally have marginal propensity to consume as, okay, marginal propensity to consume as 0.8. Okay, so 0.8 times y. Okay, and then we solve further. Okay, y over here is addition, goes that side, it becomes subtraction. Keep in mind this is as good as 1y. Okay, so basically it is 1y minus 0.8y, 0.8y is equal to 250. Okay, and then go forward, 0.2y is equal to 250. And then we have, okay, 0.2 over years multiplication goes down, it becomes division, and we'll end up with y is equal to 250 upon 0.2. Okay, let me make some space. I know it's all crunched up. Okay, 250 upon 0.2 is as good as saying 250 upon 2 into 10, or I can just put a 0 over here, and I get 1,250 crores. Okay, I get 1,250 crores as my break-even level of income. Now, for equilibrium level of income, okay, the formula is y is equal to c plus I. And c itself is broken up into c bar plus MPC into y, which is induced consumption, plus I. Okay, and now I can substitute. Now I can substitute. Why I do not know, but I know that C bar is 250 plus MPC. MPC, I have the value. Okay, I know that MPC is 0.8. So 0.8y plus 200. Okay, and now let me scroll down and simplify. Right, so 200 and 250. We add up 0.8y over years addition goes that side, it becomes subtraction. So we can have 1y minus 0.8y is equal to 450. Okay, 0.2y is equal to 450. Y is equal to 450 upon 0.2. Okay, keep in mind it is multiplication goes this side, it becomes division, right? And then we end up with y is equal to 450, 450 into 5, 0.2, 1 upon 0.2 is 5. Okay, so you do the math and you'll end up with 2,250. Okay, so the equilibrium level of income is 2,250 crores, and the break-even level of income is 1,250 crores. Any doubts? Feel free to ask.